Hi, Volmer students. Welcome to our second PBIS assembly. We're really glad to have you join us today.
Throughout the assembly today, you're going to learn who the students of the month are and the bus riders of the month are. Those are students that follow the Volmer values all through the month of October. We're also going to talk about the character trait of generosity, which is our character trait for November. And you're going to find out who the yellow ticket winners are. I know you're all excited to find out if you've won any of those great items. And we will also share some shout outs of some great behavior here at Volmer.
November is a great time to talk about being generous because being generous means sharing our time, our kindness, and giving to those in need, and also offering encouragement. And this is a great time of year for that.
Some things you can think about doing to be generous at home or in the community is donating items to maybe a food pantry or a shelter. You could read to a sibling if you want to read to your brother or sister. You could write a letter to someone in the military or the Navy. You can help with yard work, your parents or some neighbors. You can call a grandparent and just say hi, just spread some kindness. And you can also maybe think about making a kindness rock where you write something really sweet and kind on a stone and you leave it in a park for someone to find to brighten their day. Enjoy our assembly, boys and girls.
Bye.